Hello and welcome to our channel. In this tutorial you will learn 3 ways to take a screenshot on a Mac. Taking screenshots are a vital part of office work as well as for personal use. Here is how to do it on your Mac. First way is by pressing Command-Shift-3. This takes a screenshot immediately that will then appear on your desktop. It takes a complete screenshot of your screen. Second way to do this is by pressing Command-Shift-4. Here you have an option. Either click and drag around the part that you need to be screenshotted, or press space and select the window application that you want the screenshot to be of. This again will appear on your desktop. Third way is in case you don't have a keyboard or would like to do it with the mouse only. Open Launchpad and find the icon called Screenshot. Here you have the option to select what portion of your screen will be saved as well as the option to select where the image will be saved. These are 3 different ways for different cases. macOS is very straightforward with taking screenshots. Which way will you be using from now on? If you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. And make sure to press the bell button to be the first to know about our new videos.